Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. Our project is concerned with prediction of collision between vehicles as shown in this picture. This is achieved using a framework of nodes. Here's the data set that we have prepared using concept of relative motion of objects. V1, V2 are respective speed of vehicles, x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the position vectors, rest are the direction vectors on which we have calculated the collision. We verified this data set using the Virtual Crash 3 software. Here's a simulation of the dataset. We have used several set of data points to verify the dataset. This is the top view. Here's another example. The concept behind the generation of the dataset, relative motion, that you might have studied in your school days. Now let's dive into the mathematical model. Here's the formula for relative velocity of two objects A and B. Now comes the implementation part using machine learning. We have used several algorithms like logistic regression, random forest, KNN, and support vector machines to classify our data. Here are a few lines of code. We also check the accuracy of our model. It was approximately 80%. The model has been embedded in the web application that could take several data inputs. This data would be transferred to the node where the processing occurs and an audio and text result is generated. This result can be seen after few seconds on the dashboard. Thank you for watching.